More than 300 American travelers who were on board a quarantine cruise ship in Japan because of the coronavirus have returned to the United States. A plane carrying some of those travelers landed at Travis Air Force Base in Fairfield overnight. Another plane landed at Lackland Air Force Base in Texas early this morning. And while 14 passengers have tested positive for the virus, it's still unclear how many are at Travis Air Force Base. Officials say they did not have those test results when those folks left the cruise ship from Japan. The State Department says the 14 people were boarded onto the plane in a way that containment wouldn't be compromised. A Sacramento couple who refused getting on the chartered flight says this was one of the things they were worried about when given the opportunity to leave that ship.
It kind of didn't make any sense if the U.S. was fearful that these were infected people, which is why they're going to quarantine them for another 2 weeks, to have thrown them all together.
So as you heard there, those folks now going to be quarantined for 14 days. And earlier this month, 2 other flights landed at Travis Air Force Base. None of those evacuated passengers tested positive for the coronavirus. CBS 13's Nancy Chen is following this latest development from the outbreak.
A plane carrying about a dozen high-risk Americans who were evacuated from a quarantine cruise ship off Japan arrived in Nebraska Monday morning. They will be monitored at the University of Nebraska Medical Center for signs of the coronavirus.
One patient was transported to the hospital, to the biocontainment unit, because of a chronic condition and also was experiencing some mild symptoms. The remainder of the patients were transported to the quarantine unit.
They'd been on planes that touched down at U.S. military bases in Texas and California overnight. State Department officials say only after passengers were evacuated from the Diamond Princess in Japan did they learn 14 had tested positive for the illness. Hundreds of other American evacuees will be under a 14-day quarantine at the military bases. Meantime, officials in Hawaii say a Japanese tourist who was diagnosed after a trip to Oahu is now in critical condition in Japan. The World Health Organization says more than 71,000 cases of coronavirus have been diagnosed around the globe, but the latest data appears to show this virus is not as deadly as SARS in some other coronaviruses.
More than 80% of patients have mild disease and will recover.
Health officials are working to track down more than 2,000 passengers and crew members who were on board the Westerdam cruise ship in Cambodia. They were allowed to leave after being given the all clear, but then an American woman who had been a passenger tested positive for the virus.
And organizers of the Tokyo Marathon have canceled the event for all but the very elite runners because of concerns over the coronavirus. About 38,000 runners had registered for that race, which had been scheduled for March 1st.